Every week should be Teacher Appreciation Week. We're blessed with having some of the very best schools in the United States of America. And you know why? Because we have the very best teachers. They know their stuff. They know the kids. They teach with empathy, heart, and respect. Thank you for everything you do.
I am where I am because of my parents and my incredible public school teachers from Middletown, Connecticut. Thank you so much for educating our 500,000 students across Connecticut.
Thank you for all the public school teachers out there right now doing the best they can to make sure our children get the best quality education.
Grew up in our public schools and had such a great impact on me. All of them, from elementary school all the way through high school, our marching band, and it's really impacted and shaped who I am today.
I'm here today thanks to the teachers in my life.
Teachers are changing lives. You're making kids believe in themselves, see things in themselves they didn't know they had inside them.
Who among us doesn't owe everything that we are and everything that we do to a teacher in our lives?
Thank you to all of you for your contributions to our children, the future of our state, and the future of our country, and the lives that will affect that.
I am just so appreciative of your role that you play in our children's lives.
Thank you for all you do for our kids, for our great state, and for our future. Your heart and your soul and your energy and your time is so appreciated in this.
Thank you to all the teachers who truly make learning fun.
Teachers don't do it for the income, they do it for the outcome. They touch the future. Thank you.
And I see firsthand the devotion they give towards our children. You are shaping our future, and I thank you for what you do.
You bring your individual and amazing creativity to every day at school.
You all are really, truly the parent, the supporter, the individual that advocates for a child while their parents are away.
We are so grateful to you, what you do for our children. Help us parents continue to educate them and make them great citizens.
Thank you so much for what you do for youth and children all across Connecticut.
I wanted to thank all the teachers out there in our great state for all that you do, and I wanted to thank, as a teacher myself, all the teachers I work with in New London Public Schools.
I wanted to take a moment to shout out to my teachers in Shelton, Connecticut. Hello, everyone.
Thank you for everything that you do and for helping bring up the next generation of our children.
Thank you, West Hartford Public Schools, and thank you to all the teachers out there. Love teachers.
Today, we want to make sure we recognize teachers, and actually not only today, but every day.
I'd like to thank all the teachers in the state of Connecticut. Keep up the good work.
I know how invaluable your work is and how valuable you are to all of your students.
Huge thank you to Connecticut's teachers.
As your Commissioner of Education, it is my privilege to join our Governor, Lieutenant Governor, and our policymakers united in gratitude and admiration for the work you do every day. Why? Because as teachers, you make an extraordinary difference in the lives of our students. Your impact reaches far beyond the classroom and into the fabric of all our communities and shaping the future of our state. So, to all our teachers, this week and every week of the year, thank you for unlocking the lifelong potential of the 497,764 public school students and the 18,960 adult learners in our state. We appreciate you.